Good evening everyone. I am Epitha from Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore, Department of ECE. In this video lecture, we will be discussing about the subject wireless network. This is the outline of the presentation. We will just have a discussion about what is COAP, the architecture of COAP, COAP request response, its methods and its message types. So what is COAP? It is nothing but Constraint Application Protocol. It is a specialized web transfer protocol for the use of constrained nodes and constrained networks in the Internet of Things. So it is designed in such a way that it is simple constrained device to join the IoT even through the constrained networks with low bandwidth and low availability. So this constraint application protocol, it is mainly used in limited network or in a constrained environment. So it is being used for security purposes. It is used in domestic or household purpose. So this is the architecture of COAP. It consists of the REST internet which is outside the house or organization. So COAP environment, it has REST COAP proxy server and COAP clients are there in this architecture, and this REST COAP proxy, it sits in between the REST internet and COAP server. Okay, and so that any message sent can be intercepted by this REST COAP proxy. So that is the thing, and here we can consider we have a number of COAP client. Okay, so these clients are like mobile phones or RFID sensors or CCTV camera, all those log details which is generated for that particular day, it will be sent to the COAP server, and then it will be routed to the COAP proxy, and then it is uploaded or being stored in the REST internet. Okay, so this REST internet, it is outside a network. COAP network, it is basically work in this environment, and it does not go outside the environment. Okay, so basically it is limited in the constrained environment. Okay, so moving on to the COAP request and response. Before moving on to the COAP request and response, this COAP, that is the Constraint Application Protocol, it is being created by IETF. So IETF is nothing but Internet Engineering Task Force, and it is created by the Constrained RESTful Environment work group, that is core work group. So this COAP, it comes under the Internet Application Protocol for constrained devices. For constrained devices in the sense Wi-Fi setup, that is Wi-Fi connected to laptop or phone or smartphone, so we can set up with the help of the COAP protocol. So it is being this COAP, it is being designed for devices on the same constrained network between devices and general nodes on the internet, and between devices on different constrained network, both joined on the internet. So this COAP, it is built especially for IoT systems. It is built especially for only IoT systems based on HTTP protocol, and this COAP, it makes use of the UDP protocols for lightweight implementations. So it is used with mobiles and the social network based application, which eliminates some ambiguity by using the HTTP get, post, put and delete methods. So these methods we will be seeing or discussing in later slides. Okay, so apart from communicating IoT data, this COAP has been developed along with DTLS. So DTLS is nothing but the datagram transport layer security. So it is being used for a security purpose, and DTLS, it is being used for a secure exchange of messages in the transport layer. So with the help of that, we can prevent eavesdropping or masquerading, tampering and message forgeries. So these are the things that can be done with the help of the COAP. So this COAP request response, so here the client is sending some request to the server, so acknowledgement is being received in the server end, so it just gives the response accordingly. So the same is being repeated over here. So COAP colon myhome.in. so these are the name of the protocol, this is the port address, this is the name of the device, this is the name of the parameter of the device control. So these are the various methods which we have discussed earlier. So these methods they are used with mobiles and social network based application, which eliminates ambiguity by using the HTTP get, post, put and delete methods. So these are the various methods available in COAP. Observe, this is also one of the method, but it is not present in HTTP, it is new in COAP. So these are the various type of message types: confirmable message, non-confirmable message, acknowledgement and reset. So these are the various types of message types available in COAP. So as of now we have discussed about constraint application protocol. Thank you.